In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for agency service ideas fast and easy. Google Trends is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you discover what's currently hot or gaining traction in your industry. It's great for identifying new service areas, optimizing your existing services, and staying ahead of the competition. So let's dive in and explore how you can leverage this tool effectively. To start, you'll need to head over to your web browser and search for Google Trends. Click on the first link that appears in the results. This will take you to the Google Trends homepage, where the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, you're going to want to click on Explore. This is your gateway to discovering trending data. Now that you're in the Explore section, it's time to enter some broad agency-related keywords. These are general services that agencies typically offer. Think along the lines of social media marketing, SEO services, branding agency, content marketing, and web design. After you've entered these keywords, go ahead and hit Enter. Next, you'll want to set up some filters to refine your results. Under Location, choose your city, state, or region so that your insights match your local market. Then, decide on a time range. For spotting consistent demand, select the last 12 months. If you're looking to catch rising trends, opt for the last 30 to 90 days. For category, choose options like health or medical health if you're in that line of work. Otherwise, select categories pertinent to your services. Finally, choose your search type, with the default usually being web search, though news search might be helpful for trending topics. With your filters in place, it's time to analyze interest over time. Pay attention to services that show steady or rising demand, and steer clear of those with declining or flat interest. For example, you may find that UGC content creation is on the rise, indicating a good opportunity for offering this as a new service. Don't forget to scroll down and check out the Related Queries section. This is where you can find specific, high-intent service ideas. Be on the lookout for things like local SEO for small businesses, TikTok ads, agency services, email marketing automation services, and brand strategy workshops. These can be great candidates for new service offerings, which you can package as agency service packages, offers, or dedicated landing pages. Finally, it's essential to understand the difference between topics and search terms. Search terms are the exact keywords people type into the search bar, while topics encompass a broader category of related searches. For instance, searching for SEO services as a topic might also bring up related searches like technical SEO, link building, or local SEO. To wrap it up, click Download CSV to export your findings and organize them into categories such as core services, add-on services, high-demand new offers, and those that are seasonal or trending. This structured approach allows you not only to explore and identify new opportunities, but also to implement them effectively within your agency.